Now he has fans, he has fans.
Hi everyone, are you ready for a bad language, I hope? So Hashtago is a project brought to you by a team of young professionals. I am really proud to be a part of it, and we know how to get things done. Hashtago helps you to start and manage hashtag marketing campaigns. Let's talk a little about hashtags themselves. Hashtag is a link inside social media. Hashtags, they group a lot of content. They group vast array of data that users generate every day. And users place these links inside their post by their own will. So hashtags mainly are, I don't know, on TechCrunch they are named new URLs in one of September's posts. Why? Because they are the shortest way to users' content, the shortest way also to a brand content. And there is a problem that social media marketing campaigns are very hard to start, very expensive, and each network requires own approach. So I will tell you how hashtags can help marketing, and it's all about our product. You can create and launch hashtag marketing campaign in a few steps. You just set up a landing page for your official hashtag and then place it anywhere through our API, for example, on your site or on your Facebook page, anywhere. Then you can now go on this link. It's our promo page on IDCEE. We decided to show how it works on a real example. So what's the results? Today, now campaign is closed, and the results is that we built a strong relations between two hashtags, hashtag IDCEE 2013 and hashtag Hashtago. Even now in Twitter and Facebook, a related search shows IDCEE and Hashtago the main related hashtags in a search. It's all about, I don't know, 100 users who post a message and 2,000 impressions of this campaign. So we are very happy with the results of this campaign. Also, we appeared a lot at this media wall. I don't know, do somebody look on it during, but it's maybe a few times in our messages were here. There is a technology behind our project. It's a data miner to get all hashtag data from social networks. API to place landings in any kind of your source. Algorithm of hashtag posts influence in social media. And analytical tools, they are currently under development, but it's very cool stuff, believe me. About market, it's huge. It's social media marketing, digital marketing. It's constantly growing. There are a lot of competitors, but we are ready to face them. About business model, it's very simple. For now, it's monthly subscription fee for hashtag analytics and fixed payments for hashtag campaigns. In future, we want to add payments for reach unit, when you play for campaign in reach units. So just join our waiting list, wait for our beta to be. Come on!
Okay, Andrew, question. About 1 hour ago, I got a message via Twitter. Congratulations from Hashtago. You have taken part in Hashtago IDCEE 2013. iPhone 5 drawing and won. So it's a joke?
No, it's not a joke. We just used random work, and you were like a winner.
And where can I get it?
On our stand after this event.
Well, I'm actually not sure if you can take. You have a
no,
vote.
No,
you're
it was
a jury member. You're a jury member. I don't have. I have nothing to do with the jury, so I would propose to give the iPhone 5 to me. No. No.
Decide between yourself.
In your model, that hashtag is the new URL. Can you extend that and say what kind of URL campaign manager would be analogous to Hashtago in the names of URL?
I know that most of sites like HubSpot, Hootsuite, Social Bakers, they all provide analytics about hashtags. But in their cases, hashtags are just like one of a metrics, like some kind of stuff you need to look on. And we build analytics around hashtag. That because it's like the main things that users use by their own will. it's not just a like or share when you just click in a button and go in and you don't even remember what you shared yesterday. But hashtag is the thing that you need to do with your hands. You just need to type it. So it's like much more involving for a user to use hashtag. And that's why we're building all our product around it. And competitors, they are like just using it on a back. It's like, hashtags are no backstage. Maybe I understood your question or not?
No, not really. I was trying to understand how does hashtag campaign look like. So
it's very simple. Do you have a smartphone? Go to hashtago.com, IDCEE 2013, and you will
do it during the presentation.
you will see it's like very simple landing when you like a brand convert your users. You paste it on your site or a Facebook page, and you know who are really exactly ready to communicate with your brand.
I did it yesterday. Okay. Yesterday you won a grant provided by Global Technology Foundation, $30,000 American. How do you plan to spend it?
All of my team are like enthusiasts, but I think that now it's time to just get some, I don't know, rewards for their work. It's a joke. It will be spent very wisely.
More iPhone 5.
I failed it so much times in my life.
As a
so
member,
believe me, I will spend it wisely.
As a member of, co-founder of Global Technology Foundation, Runa Capital will look.
Wait. So you're basically part of that organization, and he just won an iPhone?
It was random.org. Random.org.
It's one big scam.
It's not me. It's not. We don't have any system of just like for now of rewarding clients. We just used another solutions to make decisions like random.org. So
okay, cool.
My hands.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Give him a hand. Hashtago. Okay, so he has a lot of fans in the audience, and we're going to do the IQ polls. So we're going to get it up, get your mobile phones out there, and go to iqpolls.com and enter the ID 251678, and then you can vote. In the meantime, we do a quick jury round. Uwe?
I like vital fields. I think a bit of a misunderstanding if it's the overall opportunity or the market size or whatever, but I think I like it somehow. It's probably nothing that I could potentially invest in because I don't know anything about farming. As for hashtag, definitely cool presentation. I'm still not convinced that this shouldn't be just a feature of tools like Wildfire or Raven or something like that, because I don't understand how is hashtag such a tool sui generis that it should be on its own, not being integrated into the other social media campaigns.
Okay. Pavel?
I agree. Hashtag is very cool presentation. I'm not sure how valuable the tool is a standalone tool. On the first company also, I like the presentation, but I'm not sure how they will compete with all the other messengers out there. And even in Russia, nice
shit.
So even in Russia, Line already has TV advertising. So how do you compete with that? Vital fields. I really don't know much about agriculture, but I think this sounds like a very useful service to the farmers, and if really the competitors are not there and they have such a successful track of signing up farms, I think Vital Fields has high potential. So,
Sam? Jim?
Hashtago, I think, is a useful tool right now, but it's really enabling brands, advertisers, etc., to basically manipulate social networks against the spirit of what they're trying to do. So I think just like Gmail put promoted emails into a new tab and threw them in the back, and Facebook has hidden app messages because it disturbs the experience. Hashtago has actually been spamming the tweet wall on through the last 2 days. So I think it's difficult for them to, in general, sort of get super high traction in the long run.
And your favorite?
My favorite, I think, is actually Vtalki. I mean, they're very early, but we have seen examples of these sort of next generation, sort of new behavior messaging apps. And when they catch on, they catch on. I mean, we've seen things like Snapchat and Instagram. So that's probably my favorite. Vital Fields, I think it's a useful product. I'm also questioning the market opportunity, and it's not really in my area of expertise.
You're not from a farming family.
Not from a farming family, no.
Igor.
So I'm going to join all the investors who don't know anything about the farming, but will pick Vital Fields. Mostly because I don't know much, but it's just more intuitive. I think it has to be a very large opportunity, which is intuitively seems to be under-penetrated from an IT perspective. I think the challenge that the guys would have is distribution and how they reach what probably is not the overly sophisticated IT consumers. But I think from comparison to the other three, I think these guys I think the Vital Fields is focusing on the problem that probably does exist.
Okay.
So I think Vital Fields is very hard to sell, and I think it's very hard to sell in CIS. Vitoki, I really don't believe in this project. Hashtago, no comments.
Okay, thank you very much. Jury, I'm going to ask you to leave and decide on the winners behind the scenes. And you'll have about 5 minutes to come to a conclusion.